Welcome, welcome. All right, so last time we drew a Craven's Cats. And the legendary creatures we got were Starling, Aerial Ally, Spider-Gwen, Free Spirit, Hobgoblin, Mantled Marauder, Iron Spider, Stark Upgrade. And that art looks really cool to me. So we've got another Magic the Gathering Marvel's Spider-Man Play Booster. Not many of these left from the box I bought. Rip this open. See what we get this time. So the token card is Food, with the reverse side being Robot. Pretty consistent with those for the most part. And reverses. Move 3 cards from the front to the back. And what do we get? Web of Life and Destiny. Nice. An enchantment. Superior Foes of Spider-Man. Web Warriors. Spider-Man Noir. Nice. Spider-Man No More. Venom's Hunger. Doc Ock, Sinister Scientist. Stegron, the Dinosaur Man. Vibrant Cityscape. Spider-Rex, Daring Dino. Scorpion Sting. Island, basic land. And our shiny is Vulture, Scheming Scavenger. And Symbiote Spider-Man. Nice. That looks pretty cool. Well, thank you for joining. Have a lovely day.